In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape data from real estate websites. For this purpose, we'll use 3 automation tools. Find the links in the video description. As an example, we will be exporting real estate listings in New York. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Scraping property lists. To export a list of properties to Excel, use the no-code bot builder. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Install Botster's free Chrome extension. Search for the no-code bot builder. Click on the green button to create a custom bot. Select the list scraper. Enter a link and click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements, for example, property headings and links. Select pagination type, for example, button pagination. Select the number of properties to extract, for example, 100. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted real estate list to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of property names with links to these properties' pages. Use the extracted real estate links to launch the next bot and export all embracing property descriptions. Part 2. Scraping property descriptions. To scrape all embracing property descriptions, use the single-page scraper. Enter the first property link extracted in the previous step. Click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements, for example, property description, monthly rent, and agent phone. Add other property links extracted in the previous step. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported full property descriptions with prices, agent phones, and more. You can scrape other details if needed. Use the extracted phone numbers for real estate agent outreach. Part 3. Monitoring real estate prices. Track real estate price changes using the customizable monitoring bot. Enter a link to the property that you need to monitor. Click on Select Elements. Add the desired elements, for example, property address and price. Set the notification schedule. For example, every day at 10 o'clock. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot will monitor real estate prices and send you notifications as often as scheduled. Track property price fluctuations and make sure you grab the best offers. Sign up on Botster, scrape real estate data with the no-code bot builder, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.